Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off auto downloader in Samsung Galaxy S22. If you want to turn off auto downloader, so we need to go to settings, and here we have our options. Here it is, software update. Right here we have auto download over Wi-Fi. So what does it do? Exactly what it's written right here. Download software updates automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. So we can turn it off right here. And that's all. Auto updates are now turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.